So if your vehicle is showing auxiliary battery malfunction, or is showing replace of key battery, this is how to fix it. The auxiliary battery is located at the rear left of the passenger side. Some are also located at the trunk right side, so you have to check the model of your vehicle. This is W166 2015 model. So this is how to assess the auxiliary battery. Why it's showing replacement of your key battery is because the auxiliary battery also controls that aspect. So once the auxiliary battery is changed, the replacement of the key battery message on your dashboard will also be erased. So this is how to assess it. You need to lose these bolts. Yes. Then you take this up for the chair to come down. Then you can use an extension to access this. So you can take the chair out to access the battery. Oh, this also, let's lose this too. Then after losing this, you can carry the chair down so you can see where the battery is being placed. So this is the auxiliary battery of W166 of 2015 model. So you have to lose those 10 to be able to be fully access of the battery. There is 2 clips holding the auxiliary battery. Just take this down, then take the other side down and quietly slide it out and read with multimeter to see if it's actually dead. So the multimeter is giving us 4.7 volts, which is actually dead, and the new one is giving us 12.1 volts. So we use this. So let's replace this and check the message on the clock. So remember, we are having 1 fault before, but now we suppose have 0 faults. That means the auxiliary battery message and the replacement of the key battery has been solved. Thanks.